Alright, I'm going to do a 4-minute video on how to explode an assembly. So here I have an assembly. I have all components. There are no bodies, but all these are individual components. They've been linked together. This wheel is higher on purpose because only 3 will ride. The wheels are canted in slightly. They've used the bent nails, and this would represent a final design. So I'm going to start by going up and changing my workspace from design to animation. And once in animation, I'm going to come up here and hit transform. And then I'm going to start selecting components. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do all of the nails the same amount. So I'm going to grab that nail and drag that out a distance of 2.5. And I'm just going to literally enter. I'm going to come over here and turn the trail line on. You can see what that does. I'm going to come around, I'm going to do all the nails, and I'm just going to take them straight away from the body. And all of those will go the same amount, 2.5. And all of them, I'm going to hit trail lines as I do that. I'm going to go ahead and come around to the other side, choose this nail. Oops, I don't want the wheel yet. I'm going to hit Control Z and see if I can't do a better job of selecting the nail. Drag it out 2.5. I'm just going to do the same amount. And, I probably could set that as a default, but I'm just going to be a little bit lazy. So I'm going to go in there. I'm going to drag all these out 2.5 and trying to make those go. Now I'm going to do the wheels, and again those I'm just going to take out 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, and 1 inch. I'm just taking a peek at it. That looks pretty good. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this steel weight and take it upwards, turn on the trail line for that one, and hit OK. So at this point now, I'm going to go up and change my workspace again. I'm going to change my workspace from animation to drawing, specifically drawing from animation. It's going to, so over here I'm going to select my paper. I want that to be size A, that way. And I like the, I believe that I do like landscape. You can toggle, it doesn't really matter which one you would go with that. But it's going to go ahead and generate my workspace, my drawing workspace. So I'm going to bring this over here and put that right there. Hit OK. Then I'm going to come up to table. And I'm going to put my table on right there. And please note that it already has everything in there. And now I'm just going to move this on a little bit and perhaps move these so that they're not overhanging, but this is just cleaning it up so that I'm not there. But now I have a fully exploded assembly with everything labeled. I could spend some time making it prettier. Certainly I'd get rid of anything I wanted out of this, but this is an exploded assembly of my drawing. I certainly could manipulate it different ways, and but this would be a good exploded assembly, and I can past this I could play with it however I want, but it's been 4 minutes and I'm stopping there.